All right, we're here in the Topstep office at the Chicago Board of Trade. We have just got the whole office ready for the Chicago Trader Experience. Dakota, Jay, Baron, and JD are all going to be here trading live together.
You can never find somebody do it like me, but you'll never ever find somebody do it like me.
Twice today. FOMC today. Yeah, pretty much across the street to the Federal Reserve. Yeah. Think we get a rate cut? Baron?
Do it like me.
The office is on top.
Damn right. Topstep. It's on the Topstep.
This that shit to make them all go dummy. Now I got bready, I want something from me. Showing like pros, man, I told them that it's money. And I own my own bars just like it's always sunny.
This is going to be exciting. All of us being in the same room.
You ready, Baron?
What's this camera?
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready to go.
Check. Can you guys hear me back there?
I have quite a few hobbies outside of trading. I'm in a bowling league. I love to golf. I spend time outdoors. I'm going to make a joke. I wasn't really raised to be a hillbillian, but I'm transitioning very nicely. You know, I bought some four-wheelers. I own a shotgun now. Growing up, I never would have expected these things to happen to me, but they're happening.
Let's get tonight's Chicago meetup. And the boys in Chicago are here today. And I'm going to pass this over to Andre. Boy, what an exciting day.
Can you believe this, man? Oh, man, it is a big day today on TopstepTV. Welcome everybody to Fast Markets.
But these guys are diving right into the NASDAQ. Maybe I'll piggyback them.
You told us to stop trading NASDAQ.
Yeah,
MP and Hogue were like, why are you guys still trading the NASDAQ? You should trade ES. And I was like, ES is for old men.
A lot of ageism going on.
A lot of ageism. Well, it's tough when you're the youngest one here.
It is tough. Boy, did you sure act like it. No, I'm just kidding.
Hey. Hey now, Andre. You wouldn't even do a shot of Malort last night.
This is the future. It's awesome to see. I remember when we were the young guns, if you will, coming for the old heads, and now we're essentially the old heads, and they're coming for us. They've got energy, they got passion, they got drive.
We are. So I did take a trade last night while we were at dinner. It was long gold.
Sure did.
That one did not work out. So I'm down about 890 right now. Baron did try to tell me. Would have made some money. Would have paid for dinner, but I think MP took care of that.
MP took care of that. He caught a long. He caught a long on ES.
He did.
He was just like 10 minis long at ES, middle of dinner.
They have another glass of wine, please. I'm long 10
We know a lot about each other outside of Topstep. And then to be able to meet in person was really nice. With Baron, I mean, I just, like, I don't know who this kid is. And I'm like, man, you don't have anybody to iron your shirts. So, you know he's a single man living by himself and packing light. I mean,
is the girl you've been on 50 dates with, but you're not dating? Is she ironing your shirts?
Oh, here we go. Okay, we're talking about it.
All right, we just wrapped Fast Markets in the TopstepTV office. How did it go, Dakota?
It's probably one of the best experiences we've had so far.
It was sick. Sick office, top floor, on top.
Excited. All right, we did something special for the guys. You guys know if you're in Chicago, it's hard to get a reservation at Cindy's. We're doing it, baby.
I got the steak frites. Excellently cooked, perfectly tender. The holiday's killer. I'm going to give it a 93% out of 100. I also got the steak frites and this mixed drink with Malort. I'm going to go an A+ out of 10.
An A+?
A+ out of 10.
All three of us got the same thing, and this was top 5 steak for me, so 9 out of 10.
I had a lobster roll, potato chips, there's nothing left. One bite, everyone knows the rules. 8.7. 8.7.
I'm going to give it the old James Harden rating, 5 out of 5, baby.
Yeah, I mean, $10,000, like a win or a $10,000 loss, it now means less compared to a negative comeback. And so that was kind of like any hurdle that I had to get through. It was like, oh, I made 10,000, great. Or I lost 10,000, you know, that sucks. But then when you start reading the comments, it's like, oh,
So that sucked a lot more than the $10,000. But now you just have to learn, like, that's how people
Man in the arena. You ever catch? No, I get shit right back to the chat. That's my favorite part. All right, it's raining out. We had some plans. Baron wanted to go see the Bean, but we might have to delay that. We're gonna go home. Party's over.
Yeah, so like every day at the end of market session, I do a trade review for myself and then Discord members, just see like if they could do something better, like if their trade was valid or not, like just kind of give them feedback to help them become a better trader.
I'll go through 1 through 8, so it'd be like 1, 2, and then 3 is a hook to the head.
Yeah.
And then 4 is going to be an uppercut. Yep.
Okay.
5.
Okay.
And then 6 is an overhand.
See it in here.
Right. Yep. And then 7, and then 8 is a hook to the right. There you go. The less effort you put, and it's just hips. Like this compared to this is like night and day. So just do 1s and 2s. Or we can have a jab battle.
Okay.
You ever done that?
Yeah.
Do you mind at like 10%?
That's fine.
Not too much to comment. I do like the scale on this, and then final TP as well. And then I would just draw a raise, like draw right here, draw right here, draw right here. So in your head, you're like I did it on
Today when we went over to the office, that was great. Being able to talk smack, chat, have that camaraderie that I think was lost in the workspace in 2020.
Yeah.
And to be able to bring that and bring what the trading pit back.
Especially with what we do, right? It's extremely competitive.
Oh yeah.
And we don't get a lot of that. Like on the air, there's a lot of, oh, I'm going to give this person space to kind of speak and, you know, agree with your trade. Oh, I think that's really good. It's just, it's not how trading works, right? It's a zero-sum game. And even though we could sit next to each other, I support Dakota in everything that he does. If I'm in a trade that's against his, just like if we're throwing punches at each other, I want to hit you. I don't want you to be able to hit me. And the same thing with the trade. Like, and it's nothing personal, right? It's
correct.
I want to see that person succeed, but we got to be competitive in doing this.
So I'm gonna take a nap before Woody's, so I'm not super tired when I'm meeting a bunch of different people. Fucking the Topstep, bro. Are you guys gonna get the fuck out? Like, I'm trying to sleep.
I have no intentions behind like most of the shit I talk. It's just fun.
You know what the worst bit about this, Andre, is?
Nothing. Just keep
doing this twice.
I'm so not.
Wait, you still don't have a screen shared?
Man.
I don't miss you. I'm a baddie with a bad attitude. Got my go crew is essential to become exceptional. And I just
Get enough there.
Baron? What the heck? We wondered if you were still asleep.
No, I was asleep. And then I was like, because Jay was calling me, I was like, I was like half asleep when I answered. I was like, hello? Okay. Cool. My shirt's all right.
Oh.
I overslept and my shirt's a mess.
You know, you go down, sometimes it's hard to get back up. I get it.
I get it.
Listen, like, we've been eating all fucking weekend.
Weekend?
Like,
it's a middle of the week.
It feels like a weekend.
This guy doesn't know what he is.
Hey, welcome to the Topstep Meetup. Glad that you came. An outings trader is not ready. Not me. Come up with it. Come on. Come on, let's go.
How'd you trade tonight? Oh, great. I heard the chemistry
of like all you guys together. Yeah. So girlfriend Elena. Baron, nice to meet you. How do you put up with this guy every day?
What's going on, George? What's going on, George? How we doing, baby?
How are you?
Good, man. Good. Good to see you.
Good to meet you.
Good to meet you too, man. Good to meet you too. Very good.
First time here.
First time in Chicago? Really? Okay. What do you think of the city so far? It's going great, man. It's going great. I'm sweating a little bit, but we're good. We're doing good. Fashion over function.
Hey, boss is in the house. Boss is in the house. She's the one putting us all together. All hers. Boss is her. Once in the works. Once in the works. She don't sleep. Topstep TV don't sleep.
So my goal, Danielle Oliver, shout out to Danielle, who is running Topstep TV right now, which is becoming its own thing. And I think she's realizing how big this is becoming. So my goal is to get Danielle to cry. How has this been for you so far?
No, I'm gonna cry, Jay. It's been amazing.
I'm feeling great. I'm feeling great. The drinks are flowing. The drinks are flowing. I think some people want to go to a bar with me after. And of course we got the Topstep koozie. The Topstep koozie. Honestly, it's got to be ripping shots with MP and Andre. Ripping shots with MP, Andre, Hogue is the GOAT. Shout out to all the IB haters, the initial balance haters. They're completely wrong. It's been around since the 80s, and don't fix what's not broken.
It's live, man. It's live. So we got.
Here you got yours. Cheers, guys. Cheers, guys. Cheers. Salud. Salud. Salud.
Are you not drinking? Oh my gosh. We got to get this out of here. Can they hear me?
They can probably hear you better.
They can hear me better? Everybody out there who's missing out, you guys have to come back to the next one. You have to come back to the next one. I am surprised how many people are here that do not chat in YouTube. They're here to learn, they're here to trade, and we're here to have a good time. All right. Okay, I gotta get back.
Jerry, how many times have we done this before?
Hey, couch surfing.
All the way up.
We did Woody's. You did at least once before here for sure.
Yes.
I think this is our third meetup though, right?
Felt like it was a success. Everyone from Miami, Minnesota, Michigan, everyone came together. They're all meeting each other, knowing each other. Thinking from Minnesota to Michigan, hey, you trade this, I trade this. Well, now they know each other, and now they know how they trade, and they can teach each other how to trade in the same room. You know what? Topstep TV makes it, baby. Let's go.
You guys. It was awesome. Man.
Yeah, thanks for coming through.
This more often, bro. It was really cool.
You just said the same thing,
right? Yeah, I just
every week.
I never do things like this, and I can't. I was a little anxious and nervous when I saw how many people were there. Yeah, I don't.
So what do you think, though?
It was awesome, bro. It was lit, free drinks. Come on now.
Say, go here. Say Topstep TV. Let's go.
Topstep TV. Let's go. Come on.
Hell yeah. Good job, man. Thanks for coming through.
Topstep TV. Let's go.
Congratulations.
All right, thank you.
And that's the guy recording baby. Hey. Nice to see you guys.
Stop hating in the chat, man. Like you come up on live, you come up on air. It's harder than you think it is. That's what I gotta say. To all the haters, come up on live and let's see how you trade.
Good morning, friends and traders.
Baron is ready to sleep.
Day after the big Topstep Trader Meetup. Everybody made it home alive. Actually, I haven't seen Dakota yet this morning, so I'm not sure he's alive.
I had too many shots last
Cut. 1, 2, 3 strikes, you're out.
Another Malordsky. Very confusing to the taste.
Like it hurts your brain.
Yeah, that's good. I'm gonna finish this. Maybe I'm just stoned.
I saw the bean, I didn't get to touch it. I'm not gonna be able to touch the bean, but there's other beans in the world.